We're in session. Of course, all of this in the forecast means once again superintendents are watching Steve's forecast with a very sharp eye for tomorrow. And we wanted to know just how schools make the tough call for an early dismissal. 9 on your side's Ashley Zilka found out how Mason City Schools handle the situation.
Well, these buses need to pick up students from school earlier tomorrow. It's much more than a yes or no question for districts around the area, including here in Mason. I'm told an early dismissal is the last resort.
Deciding to close or delay has become one of a superintendent's nightmares, but also big responsibilities.
Tracy Carson with Mason City Schools knows what goes into making that tough decision. The window for determining if the weather will impact class is small.
We rely a lot on our partner meteorologists at stations like Channel 9, looking at the kind of mapping and radar to find out what the weather does look like.
Carson says in most situations it's easier to cancel or delay class than have an early dismissal.
For us, an early dismissal is always our last thing that we want to do.
If the weather forecast stays on track, Carson says Mason will likely run on a normal schedule Friday. If things change, all bets are off.
We recognize in our district an early release can cause more problems than it solves just because there are so many factors involved. So we'll do everything we can to be able to make a decision about whether we need to just close school or if we think, you know what, it's warm enough, it's going to be okay, that we can hold school and be able to run on a normal schedule.
Carson says above anything else, safety for students is the #1 priority. I just got off the phone with the Cincinnati Public Schools. They said they will make a final determination at 4 o'clock tomorrow. And just like Mason, they said canceling school is a lot easier than an early dismissal. Reporting in Mason, Ashley Zilka, 9 on your side.